Hello everyone. Today I would like to talk about improving appetite and enhancing immunity in kids. With the changing season and increasing environmental pollutants, also due to various viral infections that are occurring around, a strong immunity seems to be the only savior. While adults who understand its importance and try to manage their health by improving their food habits, taking nutritional diet, and also doing various kinds of physical exercises or indulging themselves into various activities. But in kids, we find that kids are more prone to a diet which is deficient in nutrition or vitamins, as most of them are very picky about food or go more by looks, color, and taste of the food rather than its nutritional benefits. Also, kids like to eat spicy and junk food to satisfy their taste buds. Lack of physical exercise causes damage to overall health and affects their immunity. Why is there a need to focus more on immunity and diet? Kids are more likely to have a weaker immunity now. It is a difficult time for kids too. Being confined mostly to homes, they are no longer exercising by playing or running around and are unable to spend the required time under sun or in open air. Besides, with little means to entertain themselves, they are using gadgets and phones much more than in the past. Besides these, there are also been a natural increase in consumption of fried and packaged food, thus leading to weight gain in large percentage of kids confined to homes. All these things are secretly contributing to a decrease in the immunity and leading your child to various infections. Hence, there is a need to change. The diet given to the kids should be light and easily digestible. Fruits, fresh fruits should be given instead of fruit juices as they get enough amount of fibers and nutrients in the food. To prevent acidity and bloating, salads should be first lightly steamed and then they should be served. Food should be cooked in cow ghee, or you can add tulsi leaves to the water which is to be used for cooking. Talking about the sleep, adequate sleep is a must to rejuvenate body and keeping it strong enough to fight against infections. Ensure that your child goes to bed at the same time every evening and has at least 10 to 12 hours of sound sleep. Maintain nap times for your kids. Have a predictable bedtime routine to relax and put baby to sleep. It is important to curtail screen time at least 2 hours before bed for better quality of sleep. When the kids are at home, indulge them in some kind of physical activity or exercises. They should practice half an hour of yoga at least. They can do basic asanas to open up the joints, and then they can follow it up with 10 rounds or 12 rounds of Surya Namaskar. With a little practice, it will become a routine for them. This would greatly contribute in giving them a healthy appetite, reducing toxins from the body, calming their senses, providing flexibility to the muscles, and also increasing their immunity. If they have never done yoga before, start slowly and do not push them too much. To improve muscular tone and wear and tear in the body, you should daily massage your kid with medicated oils that are known to improve joint health and muscular strength. Massage with oil at least 3 times a week, preferably with sesame oil or medicated oil. Massage feet with ghee every night. Put a little cow ghee in the nostrils daily. Steam inhalation once a day with plain water and basic eye exercises are also important. I would suggest a herbal decoction to increase immunity in kids. Boil water with 8 to 10 tulsi leaves, a small ginger piece, and fresh stem of giloy with 2 to 3 clove buds to the mixture, and boil it. When the water becomes lukewarm, give it at least once a day to your kid. Also, I would recommend a herbal mixture of minute quantities of Brahmi, Vacha, Yashtimadu, Pimpali, turmeric along with ghee and honey to benefit your child with improving immunity, strength, memory and intelligence, prolonging lifespan and toning the body. Talking about herbal medicines, herbs like Vidanga and Yashtimadu are very useful in maintaining your child's metabolism and proper digestive functions. Vidanga is known to fight against worm infestation in children and prevent the gut flora. Also, herb like Yashti Madhu is one wonderful herb useful in all kinds of peptic disorders. Dry ginger or sunthi is a miraculous herb that is used in all kinds of gastric problems in children. It prevents bloating, gaseous distension, and burping. Ginger is a warming herb that promotes digestion and assimilation in the body. Ginger is a well known appetizer and it stimulates your taste buds. It is also used to improve or enhance your immunity. It is used as an anti-inflammatory in conditions like fever due to viral infections. It is also used in respiratory conditions to reduce congestion and allergic reactions. Herbs like bala and ashwagandha are also known as rejuvenators and are used to improve muscular strength and vigor. Ashwagandha is a stress reliever and it is also antioxidant in nature, which helps in tissue and muscle to fight against oxidation and improve muscular or skeletal structure in weak children. Bala, as the name suggests, it improves balya or strength or energy in children. Also, the herbs like Anantamur are useful to rule out skin ailments like dryness, eczema, or other bacterial infections. Sariva is a great herb to improve immunity against infections. Herbs like Andrographis are also useful in improving liver functions and secretion of various kinds of enzymes. It is an antipyretic herb and reduces fever in children. It is also an immunity booster. Herbs like flax seeds are a great source of omega-3 fatty acids and have a huge benefits. Flaxseed has several side benefits from giving luster to your hair, to your skin, to improving the functions of your internal organs. Flaxseed is a great source of various vitamins and minerals also. At Nisarga Herbs, we have a product called Immutizer, which is a combination of all these useful herbs which I just mentioned. It is a great appetizer and an immunity booster to improve hunger and immunity in children. Immutizer is an immunity supplement which is purely herbal and safe to use in children. For more detailed information, you can visit our website www.nisargaherbs.com. Thank you.